Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We are a Government Hill cash home buyer. We love this neighborhood in San Antonio. We're from here. We've been in operation since 2012. We've done well over 100 home purchases in San Antonio in that time, and we've helped dozens of families out of situations where they would just like to get out of a house quickly. So we're a cash home buyer. We're not dealing with banks, appraisals, inspections, realtors. All that stuff goes out the window when you work with us. This will be the easiest transaction that you've ever been a part of in your life in terms of real estate. So if you like to close quickly and you're looking for a Government Hill cash home buyer, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. The way our process works, I'll highlight a couple of things, and then I want to tell you about something that's different working with us. So the process is you can call the number on the screen here, or you can fill out a form on the website, and one of our team will be in touch with you. We'll set up a time to come out, meet you, maybe meet your family, take a look at the house, and see if we're a fit. We don't need much time in the house. We're going to be in and out in a couple of minutes, and we're going to make you a cash offer in a relatively short amount of time. And if it's a Monday and you want to close on a Friday, we can absolutely do that. We can close in as little as a couple of days as long as the title's clear. So a couple of things that you want to pay attention to, I guess, if you're looking for a cash home buyer, because a lot of people are calling themselves cash home buyers. We are the actual end buyer. Alamo Cash Buyers is the end buyer. So we're not going to get your house under contract and assign that contract to somebody else. We'll close on it. We're the end buyer. We'll put down a substantial deposit and we'll close on the day that we tell you. So we're extremely easy to do business with, especially if you're in a situation where you've got deferred maintenance on the house, or there was fire damage, or there's back taxes, or inheritance, house, divorce. I mean, you name it. If you've got a house in Government Hill that you're ready to just get rid of quickly without going through the traditional listing process and paying listing fees, repairs, closing costs, all that stuff, we take care of all of it and make it a very simple transaction for you. So if you're looking for a Government Hill cash home buyer in San Antonio, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. Hope to hear from you. Take care.